Welcome to my channel. My name is Syriah and you're watching Simple Syriah. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my small knotless braids, short knotless braids with the beads at the end. It took me a long time, but they turned out cute, and that's all that matters. You know, beauty is pain. So let's just get straight to me starting to do my hair. So I am halfway done with my hair now at this point. I did 2 layers of blue, and the rest is just gonna be all black. I mean, I didn't know if I should do 3, so I just did 2 because I felt like 3 would have been overdoing it, because it's literally just supposed to be peekaboo. So I only wanted to do a little bit, but I've got this far. I need to cut the little hairs, and then once I'm done cutting most or really all of the little hairs on this, I'm going to come back to the top and part my next section and get back to work, because I'm trying to get done with this today. I need to go out and get more beads because I didn't get enough. I'm gonna be doing 6 on each bead. I just gotta finish this up here and your girl is done, and I know I can get that done today, and that's gonna be lovely because it is currently, it's 9:24 in the morning, and I'm just now getting up and getting started. I still got this shirt on from yesterday, because yesterday I did my unboxing video, and now I'm doing my hair. But just because I woke up and was just trying to get straight back to it, I'm still in my clothes from yesterday because I did that video yesterday. And as soon as I got done with that video, like I even said in the video, I'll wash my hair and start doing my hair. But let me stop rambling, let me get started so this can be over with and I'll be done with it. So I am almost done. I just did the row that I last showed you guys. Let me tell you the time. It's currently 1:32 and I'm almost done. I got 4 rows left in this ponytail to do, and then I'm done, and I'm just so ready to be done. I'm ready to get in the shower. I'm ready for my hair to be done. I have to go get more beads. I believe I already told y'all that because I ran out of beads. But I'm gonna take a shower, boil these braids, and then go get the beads. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes
of that you're nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.
It's currently 8:20 and I'm finally on the last braid. Like, I got the water boiling so I can boil the rest of these braids and be over with it. I'm not gonna be able to do the beads until tomorrow, so this video will be going into tomorrow when I'm finally done, but I am here to show you guys how I do my knotless braids. So let me show you. So I'm gonna make sure all my edges are pushed back by putting edge control on and brushing it back with the edge brush. Then I get shining jam and make sure the base is full of the shining jam so it's easy to grip. Then I break it into 3 pieces. Break it into these 3 pieces and I start to braid just twice like that. I grab my piece of hair and add it in between these 2 fingers like that, and then I braid it in. And what I like to do is take this and hook it, and then I pull this piece up that doesn't have any hair, the extra piece that is left without hair, and then I braid it until I get the piece without hair into the middle, and then I add another piece of hair, and then I'm sorry if you guys hear talking in the background. That is my father. But then I add shining jam, add some more jam to it so that it makes the braid a little bit more easier to braid, honestly. And for the thickness, like, I want it to be a little thicker than this, so I'm gonna add another piece of hair right here in between the 2 fingers, and then I keep braiding. Some of them are low-key medium, and that's just because I'm not portioning the hair out right. And that's how I do my knotless braids. I'm about to go dip the braids, and then I will be back in the morning when I put the beads on so you guys can see the final look. Hello guys, and I am back finally with my hair done. It is currently 4:44. Actually, it's 4:44, you know, angel numbers. But I'm finally done with my hair, thank God. It seemed like it took me forever. And I started this, what, yesterday? The day before yesterday, so that's Tuesday. Yeah, I started Tuesday, which is April the 6th or the 5th. I started April the 5th, and now it is April the 7th, and I'm finally done, and I'm so glad to be done. I really like the green on me. I love the Shigo look, and I think it's really cute. So I'm definitely going to be rocking these as much as I can. I'm going to add some lashes. Okay, so this is how I look with my lashes and some lipstick on. Well, not really, Carmex and a little lip line just to, you know, glam it up a little bit. I was going to do my makeup, but I literally have my nail appointment in like an hour, not even in 30 minutes, so I didn't have time to do all that. But I still did want to come to you guys and show you how I did my hair. I actually finished my hair probably like an hour and a half ago, but I really needed to take a nap. Like, when I tell y'all I be tired after doing my hair, like I be drained. I really be needing the time to go to the side and just like sleep. But I am fully rested now, and I'm loving how this is looking. It came out really cute. I mean, it took long, but I feel like it didn't take that long. I feel like other hairstyles have took me longer. Like when I did my locks, I felt like my locks took me a lot longer than this hairstyle did. The worst part of this hairstyle for me was parting, because you know it's hard to part your own head. Like at the end of the day, like it's hard. So parting my own head was the hardest part of this whole hairstyle. I like the beads look. It's like kid but grown, because it's just, you know, it's how you style it. A vlog will be coming soon though, just to let y'all know what my next plans for a video. Either the next video is gonna be a vlog or how I style this, but y'all gotta give me a couple of days to sit with this hairstyle and style it before I come out with my styling video. But for sure a vlog will be coming, because I'm going to be going out this weekend, and that's one of the reasons why I did my hair. And two, because braids is just the easiest hairstyle ever. Like you don't have to worry about getting up and really doing anything besides your edges, and if you want to style it. Thank you so much for whoever watches this video. I will see you guys in the next video.